Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I made another purchase, got myself some more constitutional / junk / 90% silver, got another great deal, and I got all uncirculated Kennedys for my halves. So that's pretty cool. I usually don't buy uncirculated because of premium, but when you hear what I paid for these, you'll understand why I purchased them. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We have 40, which is 2 rolls. As you know, a roll is $10 worth of uncirculated 1964 JFKs. And look at how nice those are. Just some beautiful coins. I'm going to go ahead and just lay them out here. They're worth looking at. Wow, look at those things. Boy, once the camera doesn't do these things justice, these things are absolutely gorgeous. So there's one roll of them. Let's take a look at another roll here. And just look at the sides of those things. Talk about edges, man, those things are just gorgeous. So again, there's 40 of them here between these 2 rolls. So $20 space on them, but look at those things, man, those things are just beautiful. And then, so I picked up 42 tubes, or 2 rolls, and then I also picked up 4 additional ones. So let me reach my bag here. I also picked up 4 more, so we got a total of 44. So it would be $22. Sorry, I got some sparkles all over my map from some cards I used. So $22 face value there. And also picked up 73 dimes. So what we have here is 61 Roosevelts and 12 Mercurys. So let me go ahead and get these out of here. Look at those. Ooh, aren't those nice? Love that silver. Love that sound of that 90%er. So you can see some Mercury floating in the top there. It's mostly rosies, but that's okay. I like rosies because of their silver content. They seem to have more than the Mercuries usually do. So let's go ahead and put these guys down and take a look at these. In pretty darn good shape. No slicks in there. So that's cool. So a little bit of wear, but that's okay. So, what do you guys think, huh? Wow, pretty cool. 44 halves and 73 dimes. See if I can bring this down a little bit. There, that looks a little better. So, what do you think? So let me see what I paid for these. I need to look it up. I track all this stuff. So for all this, which is 20.94 ounces, I paid $14.08 per ounce. $14.08 per troy ounce. So I got another really good deal. At the time, silver was $15.08 with spot price. I got it a buck below spot. So what do you think? All these beautiful uncirculated 64 Kennedys for a buck under spot. Just some great constitutional silver here. I mean, wow. Look at how nice that stuff is. So that's it. Just want to show you some more constitutional silver I picked up from this guy that I met on the Let Go app. And just wanted to show you that it's out there. And I know this guy's a little unique and a pretty good resource for me, but you know, another dollar below spot. This has really impacted my dollar cost averaging in a positive way. Really helping to make my stack so much more valuable with lowering the cost every time I buy something like this. So that's it for now. If you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Just popped up on the screen here for you. And also hit that little bell to get notified when I put out a new video. And as you can see, a couple videos just popped up. Why don't you click on those and check those out. Some really good content that I think you'll enjoy. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.